Okay. Oh.
Dedicated. Move on, wearing what is known as a white beater.
It was a Saturday.
Oh, it's okay.
Oof, the bastard, the fucking bastard. Oh, fucking bitch. Fucking.
Guess you wait till we were all alone. Man, it's all over.
Oh, you bastard. Oh my fucking god. I.
Imagine and tell me the truth. There's no secrets between us. What is a friend but a single soul dwelling in two bodies? Aristotle. My favorite philosopher. Well, second favorite now.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Why the fuck is it so hard to win one shit?